Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. So today we'll be looking at palindrome. How to check for palindrome. So what is palindrome? A palindrome is a word that when you reverse, it will give you the same word. An example is this ABBA. If it's reversed, you still have ABBA. So this is a palindrome. So we need to write a function that returns true if that word is a palindrome. Drome. So we need to write a function that will check for a palindrome. So if you have given this question in a interview, how do you solve it? There are two major ways you can solve this problem. So we'll first check the long method before we check the easy method. So one of the longer method is through the use of the every every function in JavaScript, which we circle through every item in an array. So I first of all going to convert the array, the string to an array. You can say palindrome pass in the string, and then we'll return the results immediately. String dot, we turn it to an array by splitting it, and then we now run the every method on it. Every method which passing the car and the index, in a callback function. So then we return if car is equals to string, we check it, we check the position if it is equals to the opposite position, which is the string dot length minus 1 minus I minus 1 minus I minus 1 CHAR. So what's going on here? Okay, there's a comma here. So having this should return true if the word is a palindrome, or false if it is not a palindrome. So let us check it. So that log palindrome, and we pass in a b b a. Let's check cd palindrome node index. So we get true. So let's make it not a palindrome here and see if we get false. So we get false. So that is working correctly. Now let's look at the other easier method, which is just one line. So in that case, I'm going to comment this and just comment this out. And then, so we're going to return string string. We want to check the string against the inverse immediately. str.split dot reverse dot join dot join. So this should give us the answer. So let's run it and see. Of course, Abbas is not a palindrome, but ABBA is a palindrome. So this is exactly is the solution. So that has brought us to the end of this tutorial. So see you in the next one. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this.